are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Wagwan people, yeah. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm joined here with Fen people, yeah.
Cheers.
I've good vibes. I'm here at Joseph's Store, Surrey Street Market. Everyone, yeah. All right. Sunday, the 21st. All right, we're gonna have a community barbecue. But guess what? Today we're cooking for the community again. Red pea soup.
What we have today? What we have today, Ringo?
Look.
Something different today,
Something
yeah.
different today. Red pea soup, you know, Fen.
Hey.
Yeah, a good vibes.
Good vibes.
A good vibes. So look. We're here, we're at the market, we've got all the ingredients in the trolley, people, yeah? Come on, I'm not going to go for all the ingredients, you don't know what I want, you know, say soup. I got all the root vegetables, them, carrots, garlic, ginger, scallion, thyme, cho-cho, turnip, you know what I want. Coconut, people, yeah? That is it. And look right, that's what people, yeah? A good vibes. A good vibes. Good vibes. Yes, people, another great day at the market. Red pea soup. You understand, people, yeah? I'm here
What
with
we saying?
Scallion.
We have the scallion now and we're ready for the scallion at the top.
Yeah, a good vibe.
Yeah, man, some skime. We want the skime.
So you have to put the scallion and the thyme
at
and
the
make
time
skime.
together. Ringo, you told me that.
Come on, look. Here at Joseph's, people, yeah? A good vibes, red pea soup. Get me all of the ingredients. Them come from this stool here, people, yeah? All right, it's an amazing hot day today, people, yeah? In London, we're here in Croydon, people, yeah. What a beautiful day. Our good vibes. If you've just come on the journey, people, yeah, we are in week 6, giving back to the local community and feeding the homeless, everybody, yeah. We're live here at Surrey Street Market in Croydon, yeah. And basically, we're just building awareness, you understand, in local communities in and around the UK, going in, cooking different ingredients, fresh, healthy ingredients, coming from the Caribbean, Jamaican background, people, yeah, a good vibe. So you know that we're always going to be cooking what? A healthy, good meal that's going to give you all the substance, all the nutrients to carry out throughout your day. And a lot of the people that we're coming across on a day-to-day basis in the streets, they're not just homeless, but they're going days, hours, and sometimes a few days without a proper meal. You understand, people, yeah? So we're out here just giving back to our local community, our good vibes. Big up yourself. What do you say? 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah? That is it, giving back to the local community. And what we need? We just need some time quickly. That is it. You know, say, you can't cook a pot of red pea soup, people, yeah? And you not have no corn in the red pea soup. You can't cook a pot of red pea soup, people.
You have
Fen,
to put the corn in the soup.
you have to put the white in it.
You know the red pea soup, you have to put the corn in.
And make it go and boil, no true?
Yeah, man, let me go and boil some.
Alright, a good vibes, a good vibes. So you have to big up the one called Joseph, you know, people, yeah, look at that. See the name there, Joseph Vegetable, Surrey Street, you understand? And he's based here, at the oldest market in the UK, you know. Yeah, man, more than 700 years old this place here is, you know, friend.
What? 700 years old?
Yeah, this market here. Yeah, it's been in operation for more than 700 years old. Wow. Yeah, man. So we're cooking at the spot. Can you imagine how much people have passed through here over the years?
Wow.
Enough people.
And you know what it is? It brings ethnicity. You know what I'm trying to say? It caters for all the different culture then, because down there you got the Chinese, all the Chinese fruit and vegetables as well. Here you got the Afro-Caribbean fruit and vegetables. You got the normal English, mate. You alright? You want some tomatoes? You want some oranges? Alright?
Yeah, come on. All of that's happening here at the market, people, yeah. Alongside, you understand? This.
Alongside,
Come on, look at that. Wow. That is it, everybody, yeah. Our good vibes. So, it's been good. So, look where we at, yeah?
Where we at?
So, what we've done here, we've pre-prepped. This is like the seasoning to go into the pan, yeah? So, we've got carrot, we've got scallion, we've got red onion, we've got garlic, we've got green pepper, red pepper, and I'm gonna go and get some thyme. Big man, town man, thyme please.
Yeah, some sugar cane water.
Alright, that is it. You see, say with the right, that's at the market. Big up Joseph, you understand? Yo, Fend, people, yeah, go and check out Fend on YouTube, yeah, Fend Dizzle, Fend underscore Dizzle, yeah, people, yeah.
Come on.
That is it, a good vibe.
Right.
I just want to show you in the pot quickly, yeah. Show everyone where we at. That is it. It's a red pea soup today. It's a good vibes. So we're just gonna rinse off these ingredients here and start putting some ingredients into the pot. Yeah.
All right, Ring. So what we doing now? What's the process?
Rinsing off the vegetables them. Yeah, good vibe. That's it. And then we can start putting them into the pan fen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let it start saucing up now, yeah?
Saucing up. So look. So the first thing that I'm gonna put into the pan, yeah. Don't like the way my pot's leaning.
You have to keep it. You have to keep the pot
So you see,
centered.
You see the onion, the red onion. I'm just gonna cut it into 4 and just drop it into the pot because it's just flavour. The garlic them now. Cut them big because they're gonna boil out eventually. Drop the garlic them in. Drop in some thyme.
Skime.
Put some green pepper, just flavour it up in oven. And them things there just boiling and boil out to create the initial flavour. Keep running up the screen, everybody, yeah?
Everyone keep tapping up the lives. Both for the lives. Let's go.
Alright, our good vibes. You guys are doing amazing job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Scallion, thyme, skime. That is it. We have some food for them. We have some food in about an hour. Don't worry.
Don't worry, we got you. All right, Ringo. Hello.
Right, so next thing I want to put in. So friend, town man, can you chop this smooth for me? Yeah. So town man now, cut. Then a Kingston, a real Kingstonian.
A real Kingstonian. Junction.
Yeah, I'm junction. A good vibe.
So he's just cutting up the corn now.
Garlic in as well, a good vibe. Garlic carries flavour. Garlic's also an antibiotic. Drop in some pumpkin. Can you go half again? In the middle. Yeah, thank you. Pumpkin. Drop in some pumpkin. More carrot. How come you're right? Red pea soup. Today, red pea soup.
Come.
Glass is all foggy.
Woo!
So first thing I'm gonna put in the pot here, Fenny, is some breadfruit.
So we're putting breadfruit inside here, yeah?
We're cooking with breadfruit today, my bro.
Jeez.
Breadfruit, you know. So yeah, man. Breadfruit. I'm out here with Fen. It's just us on the battlefield today.
Come on.
You see it?
Step on the back of it, you see me?
The work must work, Fen.
The work must continue.
Come on.
The marathon must continue, you get me?
Putting the sweet potato them in the pot, Fen. Sweet potato.
Jeez.
Fresh sweet potato, fresh from Joseph's store right there, everybody. Our good vibes. I soon bust the pot, Fen. I soon bust the pot. Alright, I'm excited to get in there as well. So we're putting some yam in, some white yam. Some cassava.
Cassava piece. Big up all the people them from Cassava piece.
Mavado.
Big up Mavado, I'm soon forward. Yeah man, we want VIP.
A sweet one. Mummy, some
the
red
sweet
pea soup.
one, yeah,
What
What are you doing?
I cook some red pea soup.
What kind of meat you have in there?
No meat.
And no meat.
Why?
We want salt
You
it
make soup
up.
without meat.
Yeah. I've coconut in it, mummy.
Rastaman style.
You know, say when you put coconut in that thing,
We Rasta.
a coconut bring up the flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
No
Yeah,
meat.
it could flavor too.
So I put some sweet potato, some yam, dasheen, cocoa.
But not cook the potatoes sweet together.
No, because I said, no, man, I kind of
Lift man.
This is where media are run around here. Clear cameras, you're on live, everything. If you stand here, you're gonna be on live, everything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You put this
Sorry.
on.
Yeah man.
Social media.
Sorry, alright.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't want nobody to know something in a Christ.
Yeah, look, yes, yes, yes.
Everybody knows so you're not crying, you know.
Them no.
Look how long it's taking to make.
In it.
Hour? Yeah.
When this food ready, man?
1 hour, he said.
How many minutes?
Like 1 hour?
You could make some color next time.
I done that on Monday.
Yeah, I'll be here.
So you're there every day.
Make it a
Not
day.
every day.
Monday. Make it a day. Kalalo soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm alone.
Now this is a red pea soup. Not callaloo, red peas.
Real time as well. Not this real one from the garden.
Yeah. Real one, Jaja.
Yeah, corn, everything in there.
Yeah, man, see yellow yam, I go in now.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's why, yeah, you know. Like them. yeah.
I feel yellow yam me want, man. I
Make
feel
them pay you.
I feel me want.
No,
man.
dear me get, make them pay you because them on the internet. My brother. Yeah.
No, yo man. For the community, you know. No one found no yellow yam for the community. Yeah man.
Evian, waters, wash it down.
Good vibes, big man, good vibes.
Show them how it done.
Cocoa.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Cocoa.
Where you going? Yeah, we're Kingston, everybody from,
I'm born in Clarendon.
from Chiloni, man.
You from Chilani?
Yeah, man.
Big up Chilani.
Big up Chilani.
Halfway young, that's where them Usain Bolt, that's where him running up.
Yeah.
Halfway young. Flower down.
It's a spring water, you can tell that this spring water.
That's the way. Show them how to cook, man. Show them how to cook.
A good vibes, big
You're gonna
man.
watch it when I go. It's on the net, yeah?
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube, yeah.
Ringo Vision.
Right, Market Street.
We're getting some okra from Akam now. She's gonna get us some okra. She's getting it for us. They're all shy, but they know they're superstars already. You know, all celebrities already. Akam gave us the okra. She said she don't want to be on camera, so I stopped filming her. You know what I'm saying? People are camera shy. They're not photogenic like us.
When them never put the tomato in, but you see this tomato, yeah? One of them tomato, yeah, going in soup. Yeah, make it just go and boil out.
Make him go and boil out.
The last man sitting there going, you know, ital sitting, you know.
Aye.
And fix up the people them real good. So the tomato now just boil out and just get a character or flavour.
Alright.
If the Jamaicans watching this now, them say, what am I do? What am I do? Him laugh.
Him spoil it.
Him spoil it. But right now, you all know it's right now, you all know it's a create me, I create it. Because some people like pure tomato soup.
Yes, that's right.
Alright. Banana. We see this green banana here now, yeah? We're putting it in the pot, in the skin. Because we need to give the people them iron in their body.
Like if when you do the hard food and you just put the green, you cut the green banana and you put in a.
Yeah.
But bigger than that, but yeah, it makes sense.
But they're gonna eat the skin.
Okay.
Because the skin gives you iron.
That's gonna be soft.
Yes, it's gonna be soft by then. That is it.
That is it.
Alright, so let me see what else I go in our pot now. What else we are going on, sir? Dashing one planting I pack people. Some sweetness. So look, a good vibe. So we're at that point right now throughout the day. Look, we've got all the ingredients into the pot, people, yeah. I tell pot this, people, yeah. So we're cooking some food for the community and the yeah, a good vibes. A good vibe. So we're cooking some food for the local community and for the homeless. That is it. So a pot of red pea soup. Big up yourself. You saw what happened today. We've got all the ingredients right here from Joseph's store, people, yeah. You understand? So we're just gonna make this go and boil up now for about half an hour, you know, friend.
Alright.
You see the next half an hour, we can just travel with the pot and just start share out some cups of soup. You understand?
That's it.
A good vibe.
Good vibes, my bro.
Into my thing.
Magic box.
Let me go into my magic box. Into the magic box. You said it right now. I love that word there. We said magic box.
Magic box.
Magic box to get 2 magic cups. Get 2 magic. Papa forward.
Yes, man, what are you doing?
Alright, so come in and have a look. Come in. Show you guys what's actually been taking place today, yeah? You know? That is it. Beautiful. So yeah, that is it, everybody. Yeah, look, I'm just gonna turn this bad boy off for a second. Yeah, just let it simmer down because it's piping hot right now. A good vibe. So
What you say? You smell that goodness? I know. You know when you just come and look.
Yeah, man.
You just want to know what it is like.
there we go.
See, there's a level of fitness to it too. You see, hey, don't play games, man. Don't play games. Yo, don't play games. What do you say? Don't play games with it, huh?
Papa, come forward now.
What am I doing? Thank you.
Yeah, this.
Okay, just take a photo.
It's ready. It's a red pea soup.
It's ready. It's beautiful.
Come try some. It's all free. We're going to give it back to the
Yeah, have a look. Yeah.
Yeah, all vegetable. Okay. Papa, you ready?
What do you think? Y'all gonna need about 5 cups? Yeah, my dad. Yeah.
We're gonna get my child. We're gonna see my daughter.
Oh, yeah, go do your thing. What you say? You got your soup now. You say bye. Okay, bye.
Hey, listen.
Yo.
The soup banging.
Yeah, it's banging. He had a little
Papa,
zip. Man said, I had a little, hey, yo, this is what happened. He had a little zip and he said, okay, guys, I gotta go. He said he gotta go, yo. Hey, Ryan, you back with it?
Yes, everyone.
My bro.
Thank you very much. So we're here. Big up Wet. Big up Shona.
Yeah?
Big up friends. A good vibe. Big up, bro. A good vibe. We're here. The pot of soup finished, so we're gonna go out on our high street now, and we're just gonna start giving back to the homeless and giving back to the local community. Everyone, yeah. Big up yourself. One love. Good vibes.
Hey, Martin.
Don't couple. Just get out.
Oh, you got I need to put this one down. Nick, cigarette. Come on, Nick. Nick, we have to go this way. Good. That's better than what I do. No better than what you do. In your house. Oh man. Let's just chill. This is the kitchen space. You know, you have to respect the kitchen space. Yeah, everyone back. Back. You know what I'm saying? Respect the kitchen space. Yeah? You want some food? Oh, I didn't. Great. There's chicken in there, too. There's chicken bones. Spoon. Spoon. Yeah. What's that spoon? Yeah. I want everyone to say you're chopstick. I feel like I'm protecting something valuable. I really am. You are. Food. I'm food. For the soul. Of life. And you know what it is? Because you know what it is? We're going to feed a lot of other people. saying. So we want to keep it. Huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, come on, bro.
Can I have something?
Yeah, you're all gonna get some. But as I said, I need everybody.
Respect the boundaries.
Yeah, respect that. Yo, tell them.
So walk down.
What happened to ladies first, man? You ain't even the ladies. Oh, bro. It's alright.
Age before beauty now.
Oh, age before. Oh, yeah.
You're actually in the salt today.
Did you get smooth?
No, is it?
You don't need a spoon? Yes, madam. How you doing? You got some?
Yeah, I had the salt. I had the salt yesterday. I'm gonna get the salt out. Take it.
Hey, do you want some?
I never tried that. Inside that thing. Oh, yeah.
This is the kitchen.
That's one. I did
Tastes good?
I didn't test this yet.
Okay, let's take the kitchen on the go. Thank you very much, everybody. A good vibe. So we're gonna go up on the high street and feed a few more people. That is it.
Come all the way down. No, I love, man. You want some soup? You sure? Oh, you already had them? Oh, you already had the pounded jam. You had the pounded jam. You see, I know you. Hey. Hey. I hope I said it right. It is sound like that.
Fill it up.
Put it up, man. Say.
Yeah, put some corn in there, man.
The corn in there.
Yes, man.
Put corn in there.
You put corn in there?
Yeah. You said I didn't see it.
Okay, alright. Yeah, fill it up, man. Say it,
Hey, if you want to do it properly.
okay, alright, that's fine.
With the spoon.
Yes, please.
Hey. All right. You want some food, yeah? You come to get some, yeah?
Yeah, but you sell pizza.
Yeah, he wants some, man. You give it away. You only want some. For the homeless in the movie. You want some?
Yeah, I want some. Yeah, I'm homeless, man.
You're the freshest homeless mother I've seen. You know what I'm saying? Yo.
I'm homeless, man. But just I stay in the.
No, you're homeless for.
I stay with a friend.
Okay.
Yeah, I sleep on his couch.
Oh, man.
Right?
I'm gonna give you some soup.
Thank you.
Two soups coming up. No, you like it. You like it. No, hey, you have to try it. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? If you can smell the goodness, then you know the goodness. All right.
Yes, everybody. So we've brought the kitchen up here now on the high street. Our good vibes. Look where we are. So yeah, we're just serving up right now, right here on the high street. Everybody, yeah, big up yourself. We've been down there at Joseph's Stool. That is it. You're welcome. Just give the gentleman there some soup. Give the gentleman there some soup. Our good vibes. Yeah, man. Yes, everyone. So we bring the kitchen to the last spot, which is West Croydon on the strip, London Road. Everybody, yeah, and have a look. So it's at a completion. Thank you very much, everyone that stayed tuned with this episode. We're traveling with the kitchen today, giving back to the local community and some homeless as well. Everybody, yeah. All right, our good vibes. Yes, today was another amazing episode. Big up yourself, everybody. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Look, the kitchen just stored up over there. That is it. 1 second. Guess what? 21st, Sunday, July, Surrey Street Market, community barbecue. That's where we're going to be, people, yeah? One love.